guys, we are here at Zephyr Cove getting all set up. We stayed at Lake Tahoe, or South Lake Tahoe campground right on the lake. We packed up. We're gonna be staying there for 2 nights. Packed everything up just to make it here to Zephyr Cove. Pretty chill, pretty mellow out here, to be honest. Like, I thought the parking lot was gonna be absolutely slammed. We got here probably like 7:40, and there's still tons of spots available. We're probably gonna cook some breakfast in the back here, chill out for the day, or most of the day here. Take the paddleboard out, probably right over those rocks over there. Yeah, it should be a pretty chill day. They have restrooms here at Zephyr Cove, pretty clean, and then they've got a nice little restaurant and bar over there. And we are on Nevada side, so you can drink on the beach if you want.
Smells good.
What? Oh, those are my shades. About ready to flip. So guys, the plan today is just to take out the stand-up paddleboard. We're gonna head over to a little rocky little island out here by Zephyr Cove, so it should be fun. Just gonna take it easy, maybe take a nap, I don't know. We've got the campground secured at the other place for tonight too, so we'll just take our time. Woo. cove here, huh?
It's private, super private.
There you go.
Thanks so much. Everyone loves Zephyr. I heard they're like, oh yeah, like, I'm hoping to set up like that. Thank you.
So guys, while we're chilling here, we're getting about 80 watts solar. Nice sunny day. Gonna be heading back to camp later, so top off our battery. We're at like 69% right now. Got that cable running around the awning. Inside. And then down to my charging one in there. Working out pretty good. Absolutely beautiful day here. What do you think, babe?
So beautiful.
So this is Reagan Beach, I believe. Looks like you got some party boys down there. So if you don't catch the beer, you gotta chug the beer apparently. Shotgun it. That's so funny. These views are amazing up here, guys. Right? I highly recommend you guys to rent some e-bikes or bring your own if you got them. We got some sick fat tire bikes and I don't have the setup to carry them on my truck yet. So here I am renting a junker. Still fun though. Lost her. She gone. All right, that's it for today's video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Seriously, it means a ton. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Got thoughts, questions, or just want to say hey, drop a comment below. I read every one of them. As always, I appreciate the support, and I'll catch you in the next week's video where we're heading to June Lake. Until then, take care, stay safe, much love.